निर्मला सीतारामनान सादर केलो केंद्रीय अर्थसंकल्प. लोकांची क्रयशक्ती वाडटली. आयकर भरप्यांक कर भरपाचो आनीक पर्याय केलो उक्तो. मडगांवच्या खाजगी मेडिकल कॉलेजाच्या प्रस्तावाचेरय मारली मोहर. मुख्यमंत्र्यान अर्थसंकल्पाक दिलो येवकार, पूण उद्देजक उत्साही नात. गिरायकांक उत्तेजीत आनी मजत करपाक अर्थसंकल्प कसो कितें थारतलो फायदेशीर विचारलो प्रश्न. निर्मला शिक्षणीक संस्थेन मनयले वर्सुकी आबोल्यांचे फेस्त. शेतां आनी खाजन जमिनींच्या रक्षणाचेर आशिल्लो फोकस. राष्ट्रीय खेळा सर्तीच्या मॅस्कॉट रुबी गुलाचे जाले लॉन्चिंग. 20 ऑक्टोबर ते 4 नोव्हेंबर मजगती गोंयांत जातली राष्ट्रीय खेळा सर्त. येवकार, हांव शिवेंद्र तारी. पळयात खबरो विस्तारान. ह्या अर्थसंकल्पांतल्यान लोकांची येणावळ वाडटली आनी क्रय शक्ती वाडटली असो दावो करून केंद्रीय अर्थमंत्री निर्मला सीतारामनान शेनवारा आपलो दुसरो अर्थसंकल्प मांडलो. तेका लागून गोंयच्या पर्यटन उद्देगाक तेजस रेल्वे सुरू जावपाक आनी मडगांवां खाजगी मेडिकल कॉलेज सुरू करपाक संद मेळपाक शकता.
देशाची आर्थीक तूट 3.5% देंवतली आनी उदरगतीचो दर वाडटलो असो विश्वास निर्मलाबाईन ह्या अर्थसंकल्पांतल्यान उक्तायला.
We have estimated the nominal growth of GDP for year 2020-21 on the basis of trends available at 10%. Accordingly, receipts for the year 2020-21 are estimated at 22.46 lakh crores. And keeping in mind commitment of the government towards various schemes and the need for improvement of the quality of life, level of expenditure has been kept at 30.42 lakh crores. We estimate a fiscal deficit of 3.8% in RE 2019-20 and 3.5% for BE 2020-2021. This estimation is consistent with the government's abiding commitment to macroeconomic stability.
सच्च भशेन मध्यमवर्गीय इन्कम टॅक्सात आनीक कसली सूट मेळत काय म्हणून राविल्ले, पूण ते बदला सूट मेळटा तेचेर उदक सोडल्यार कसल्योच कटकटी नासतना इन्कम टॅक्स भरपाचो दुसरो पर्याय तिने उक्तो केला. तेचे वयलो कर लेगीत उणो केला. पळयात.
Presently, an individual pays 20% on income between 5 lakh and 10 lakh and 30% on income between 10 lakh. That's the prevailing matrix. Further, currently, the Income Tax Act is riddled with various exemptions and deductions which make compliance by the taxpayer and administration of Income Tax Act by the tax authorities a burdensome process. It is almost impossible for a taxpayer to comply with income tax law without taking the help from professionals. In order to provide significant relief to the individual taxpayers and to simplify the income tax law, I propose to bring a new simplified personal income tax regime wherein income tax rates will be significantly reduced for the individual taxpayers who forego certain deductions and exemptions. 0 to 2.5 lakh exempt now will be exempt in the new scheme also. 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs, 5% now will be 5% in the new tax rate. 5 to 7.5 lakhs, 20% now will become 10% in the new rate. 7.5 to 10 lakhs, 20% now will be 15% in the new. 10 to 12.5 lakh, 30% now will now come to 20%. 12.5 to 15 lakh, 30% now, 25% in the new rate. Above 15 continues at 30%. For example, a person earning 15 lakh of rupees in a year and not availing any deductions whatsoever will pay 1,95,000 as compared to 2,73,000 that is paying now in the old regime. So his tax burden shall be reduced by 78,000 rupees. It was surprising to know that currently more than 100 exemptions and deductions of different nature are provided in the Income Tax Act. No wonder the code is like this, the book. I have removed around 70 of them. I have removed around 70 of them in the new simplified regime. We will review and rationalize the remaining exemptions and deductions in the coming years, with a view to further simplifying the tax system and lowering tax rates.
गोयचो खासा उल्लेख केल्लो ना, पूण भारतांतल्या फामाद सुवातीं खातीर पर्यटनाच्यो खासा पॅकेजी दिवपाची तयारी तिणें दाखयल्या. तशेंच तेजस रेल्वे दिवपाचें उतर दिलां.
I expect the state governments to develop a roadmap for certain identified destinations and formulate financial plans during 2021 against which specified grants will be made available to the states from the centre in the year 2020-21. For purpose of tourism promotion, sir, I propose to allocate 2,500 crores for 2020-2021. The process of inviting private participation is underway. More Tejas type trains will connect iconic tourist destinations.
बेटी बचाव बेटी पढाव या अभियानाचो फायदो जाला आणि आता शाळांनी चल्यां परस चलयो चढ शिकतात तेची आकडेवारी निर्मलाबाईन संसदेक दिली. तशेंच मडगावच्या जिल्लो हॉस्पिटलात खाजगी मेडिकल कॉलेज सुरू करपाच्या प्रस्तावाचेरय अप्रत्यक्षपणान मोहर मारली. पळयात.
I think it's important not to politicize issues related to women. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao has yielded tremendous results. Gross enrollment ratio of girls across all levels of education is now higher than boys. At elementary level, it is 94.32% as against 89.28 for boys. At secondary level, it is 81.32% as compared to 78% for boys. At higher secondary level, girls have achieved a level of 59.70 compared to only 57.54% for boys. There is a shortage of qualified medical doctors, both general practitioners as well as specialists. In order to meet this requirement, it is proposed to attach a medical college to an existing district hospital in PPP mode. Those states that fully allow facilities of the hospital to the medical college and wish to provide land at a concession would be able to receive viability gap funding from the center.
आपले लांबलचक भाषण सोंपयतना निमण्या पावंड्यार सीतारामनाक उलोवपाक त्रास जावपाक लागलो. देखून तिणें थंयच भाषण सोंपयलें. मात उपरांतचे सगळे कायदेशीर सोपस्कार पुराय करूनच ती अधिवेशन तहकूब जातकीर सभाघरांतल्यान भायर सरली.
To achieve the twin objectives of giving impetus to the domestic industry and also to generate resources for health services, I propose to impose a nominal health cess
My pocket. In case you feel like having a sweet, just take something.
No, I've got a sweet one. I propose, so I think I will lay the rest of the pages, sir. Please consider a sweet. Thank you. Sir, with your permission, I rise to move for leave to introduce the Finance Bill 2020.
अनुमति प्रदान की जाती है. माननीय मंत्री जी, अब विधेयक पुरस्तावित.
Sir, I introduce the bill.
गोवा 365 ब्युरो पणजी.
हो बरो अर्थसंकल्प उद्देश खूप बरो आसा, पूण ताचे परिणाम मात लांब तेंपा उपरांत दिसून येतले. हो अर्थसंकल्प अर्थव्यवस्थेक कसो फायदेशीर थारतलो, गिरायकांच्या बोल्सांत बेगीन पैसे कशे येतले ते आत्ताच सांगप कठीण. अर्थमंत्री निर्मला सीतारामनाच्या 2 वरां आनी 43 मिनटांच्या लांबलचक भाशणा उपरांत उद्देजकांनी उक्तायली मतां.
Industry welcomed some of the announcements like the IT slabs as well as the initiatives in women and child and ecology. Also, they felt that the fisheries and corporate tax amendments could help the state.
I will talk from Goa Chamber point of view, let them see. I think if you ask me, there is no change in the sentiment of the industry post listening to the budget, unless something more comes in the fine print. Because there is nothing specific which is announced for the industry in Goa. Let me be very, very honest about it. And we were expecting much, much more. Gone are the days where industry is expecting SOPs, give us subsidy, give us this money. No, we don't want it. But just help us create the market for us. Yeah. It's government's prime duty to create a market for the industry, that create a demand, which unfortunately we do not see coming in this budget. But this is not going to show results to the economy tomorrow. We wanted something tomorrow because we don't have time. So not only that, secondly, the amount of money that they have earmarked for waste management, about 12,300 crores, that was required. So all that directions are good, the intent is very good, but we do not see the money coming into the market tomorrow, which will boost the economy, which will boost the small scale industry, which will help that Indians in the villages get that extra money in their pocket, which they can spend on consumer durables or whatever.
I call this budget as a reformative budget of Hamara India as the finance minister quarterly. Vivad se Vishwas, it will be one of the best schemes, I suppose, to settle one's issues which are pending for long dues.
The Chief Minister welcomed the budget. He said that they would indeed put up proposals under the tourism-related announcements of the Finance Minister. Watch.
This budget is an aspirational India and which focuses on health, wealth, happiness, hospitality, agriculture, safety and security of all the people. परत एकदा सांगता of all the people. Irrespective of the caste and creed, allocation of the 2,500 crores of rupees for the tourism, which is a centrally scheme, आणि ताजो बेनिफिट निश्चितच गोंयाक मोठ्या प्रमाणात जातलो हाजी आमकां खात्री आसा.
Finance Minister, what she said, that you have to make the project, the state has to make the project and take it up and funds will be given from center. Any plans are there?
Of course, आमी इंटरलँड टुरिजमा खातीर ऑलरेडी म्हटलां की आमच्या तकलेन आसा इंटरलँड टुरिजम डेवलप करपा खातीर आमी ऑलरेडी वी हॅर म्हणजे एजन्सी आमी फायनलायज करीत आसा की इंटरलँड टुरिजम प्रमोट करपा खातीर कशा पद्दतीन आमी प्रोजेक्ट रेडी करीत आसा. आमी ड्राफ्ट लेटर एट प्रेझेंट ऑलरेडी गिवन म्हणजे वी वॉन्ट आमकां बजेट जाय म्हणून ताजो प्रोजेक्ट जो आसा बेगिनात बेगीन आमी सेंट्रल फायनान्स मिनिस्ट्री खातीर दितले. म्हाजे कडेन पर्सनली उलयता आसतना तांणी तेच सांगलेलें की रेव्हेन्यू जनरेशन प्रोजेक्ट फॉर द स्टेट डायरेक्टली अशा पद्दतीचो प्रोजेक्ट जावचो तुमी दियात स्टेटी कडल्यान. वी आर रेडी टू फायनान्स.
Our chief reporter Glenn Costa with video journalist Irshad Sheikh from Panji.
आता घेऊया एक ल्हानसो विसव. विसव उपरांत येवकार पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो. पगार वाड ही मुख्य मागणी अजूनही मान्य झाली ना अशें संपार गेल्ले बँक कर्मचारी म्हणटात. हेर मागण्या खातीर इंडियन बँक संघटने वांगडा चर्चेच्यो 30 फेरयो जाल्यो पूण अजूनही तांच्यो मागण्यो विचारात घेवंक ना.
चर्चेच्यो 30 फेरयो जाल्यो पूण तातूंतल्यान कांयच साध्य जालें ना. बँक कर्मचारी म्हणटात तांचे वयल्या कामाचो ताण बरोच वाडला. बँक कर्मचाऱ्यांच्यो ह्यो कांय मागण्यो. पगार 20% वाडोवचो, सप्तकात 5 दीस काम आसचें, बेसीक पगारा वांगडा खास भत्तो, नवीन पेन्शन येवजण रद्द करची, पेन्शन येवजणेत बदल करचो, कुटुंबा खातीरचे पेन्शनीत सुदारणा करची, कार्यरत निधीचेर कर्मचारी कल्याण निधीत योगदान दिवचें, कमाल मर्यादा विचारात घेनासतना निवृत्त फायद्यावेल्या आयकरात सूट दिवची, व्यवसायाचे तास आणि जेवणाचो वेळ हांची एकसारकी व्याख्या, अधिकाऱ्यांच्या कामाचे तास निश्चित करचे, कंत्राटी कर्मचारी आणि व्यावसायिक कर्मचाऱ्यांक समान कामा खातीर समान पगार दिवचो. बँक कर्मचारी 31 जानेवारीच्यान संपार गेल्यात. तशेंच 11, 12 आणि 13 मार्चाकय संपार वचपाचो तांणी निर्णय घेतला. हाच्या उपरांतय तांच्यो मागण्यो मान्य जाल्यो ना जाल्यार 1 एप्रिलाच्यान बेमुदत संपार वचपाचो निर्णय तांणी घेतला.
The mounting NPAs for which the bank staff is nowhere responsible because these mounting NPAs are on the basis of the government policies on various sectors of the economy. The government decides which sector, what you can say, should be given a priority and which sector is not to be given a priority. And in that process, if there are mounting NPAs, why should the bank staff be made responsible for this? Besides that, the banking services in the public sector is totally on the basis of the social service more than the professional. You can consider many such aspects where we have, what you can say, worked for which no compensation has come from the government to the banking sector, like demonetization, like Jan Dhan Yojana, like Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, like Atal Pension Yojana.
We have a right for a reasonable and respectable wage right, which has been denied to us for all these years. The contention of the IBA that because of the profitability that we are unable to pay is definitely cannot be accepted.
पणजेच्यान आमचे व्हिडिओ पत्रकार अमर चावरिया आणि इर्शाद शेख.
गोंयकारांची कॅसिनो वारी बंद करपी नवी अधिसुचोवणी आणि गेमिंग कमिशनराचे नेमणुकीचो काँग्रेसीन निषेध केला. कॅसिनो व्यवसाय नियंत्रणात हाडपा खातीरच गेमिंग कमिशनराची नेमणूक जाता असो आरोपय काँग्रेसीन केला. कॅसिनो धनियांचेर दबाव हाडून तांकां परतून मांडवली करपाक आपोवपाचो सरकाराचो हेत आशिल्ल्याचोय आरोप काँग्रेसीन केला.
गोवा पब्लीक गॅमलिंग दुरुस्ती विधेयक 2012 वर्सा हाडलेले अशें काँग्रेसीचो गोंय प्रदेश अध्यक्ष गिरीश चोडणकार म्हणटा. हो पुराय कायदो लागू करिनासतना गरजे प्रमाण कांय ठरावीक नेमांचीच अंमलबजावणी केल्ली. पर्रीकर सरकारान 6 खेपे दुरुस्ती विधेयक हाडून कॅसिनोंच्या धन्यांकडल्यान 100 कोटी रुपया उखल्ल्यात असो आरोपय गिरीशान केला. आता हे सरकार 7वे खेपे हे बिल हाडपाक सोदता अशें तेचें म्हणणें.
जेन्ना हो कायदो जालो सेक्शन 13C ऑलरेडी प्रोविजन केल्ली सरकारान 2012 की गेमिंग कमिशनर अपॉइंट करपाक. त्याच बरोबर 17A ऑलरेडी रूल आसा सेक्शनाक की गव्हर्मेंटाक ह्या संदर्भांत रुल्स करपाक पावर आसा. म्हणजे कमिशनर अपॉइंट करता म्हणटकर इमिजिएटली थंय रेग्युलेशन स्टार्ट जातले. म्हणजे कॅजिनो बिझनस वील बी रेग्युलेटेड इन गोवा. सो थंय मागीर थंय कॅशलेस जावपाक जाय. थंय ट्रान्झॅक्शन मॉनिटर जातली, कोण कितले भितर वयता कोण कितले भायर वयता, रेव्हेन्यू लिकेज सगळो प्लग जातलो. रोखडेच कॅजिनोवाले बॅग्स घेवन तेंचे कडेन येतले, फ्रेश नेगोशिएशन स्टार्ट जातलें. तेंगेले जे कार तेणी चार्ज केल्ले हो एक्ट इम्प्लिमेंट न करचो म्हणून 100 कोटीचें ते काबार जालें. ते मनीसूय ना आतां हे नवीन दुकान उगडें केलां. सो ह्यातूंतल्यान परत फ्रेश नेगोशिएशन जातलें आनी परत कॅजिनोवाल्यांक लुटपा खातीर हें हाडना. कारण हो सरकार ह्या बाबतीन गॅमलिंग कमिशनाच्या बाबतीन सिरियस ना. अजुनूय पब्लीक डोमेनांत ह्या हेचेर रुल्स केल्ले ना. सो गव्हर्मेंट इज नॉन सिरियस ऑन दीस इशू. तांकां फक्त कॅजिनो कडल्यान आनी लुटपाचें आसा आनी त्या एक हेतून हें तेणी अनाउन्समेंट केला. अनाउन्समेंट केले त्या बरोबर ते सगळे येतले. GST कमिशनर इज जस्ट अ टायमपास, कांयच करचें ना. हे फक्त पयशे येतकर परत कितें तरी निमित काडटले आनी जावं कोणाकूय कोर्टान धाडटले, कोणी एक गोंयकारांक कोर्टान धाडटले आनी हें सगळें हाडून घेतले, हेंच करतले. हो जो कायदो आसा तो कायदो एक्चुअली इलिगल आसा. अमेंडमेंट केलो तो सुद्दां, कारण ताका प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडियान एसेंट दिल्ली ना.
पणजेच्यान आमचो व्हिडिओ पत्रकार इर्शाद शेख.
परतून घेऊया एक व्यावसायिक विसव. विसव उपरांत परतून एकदा येवकार पळोवया उरिल्ल्यो खबरो. निर्मला शिक्षणीक संस्थेन आबोल्यांचे फेस्त शेनवारा व्हडा उमेदीन मनयलें. ही संस्था दर वर्सा नेमान हे फेस्त मनयता. गोंयची माती, शेतां आनी खाजन जमिनींचे संरक्षण ही ह्या वर्साची थीम आसलेली.
निर्मला शिक्षणीक संस्थेन कला आणि संस्कृती खात्याच्या जोडपालवान ह्या फेस्ताचे आयोजन केल्ले. 2001 वर्साच्यान ही संस्था नेमान ह्या फेस्ताचे आयोजन करता. गोंयची समृद्ध संस्कृताय आणि परंपरेचे संरक्षण संवर्धन जावचे हो ह्या फेस्ताच्या आयोजना फाटलो मुखेल हेत. ह्या फेस्ता निमतान इतिहासीक वास्तू, झाडां आणि वेगवेगळ्या कलाकृतींचे प्रदर्शन मांडलेले.
We have been taking different aspects of the Goan culture
in an effort to preserve and appreciate what we have. This year the theme is Goinchi Mati. We have seen what is happening to our fields, what is happening to our cousin lands, and we want to reiterate that this is a God-given gift, and therefore we should preserve the soil of our land. This is going to be expressed today, or is being expressed today, through song, dance, music, and there are a variety of stalls. We would be happy if more people could come and patronize the feast every year.
Well, this year our focus is on Goinchi Mati, and here this year we are going to talk about a lot of perspectives under this topic. Well, as you know, Goa is a land that is colorful and the Goan soil is versatile. Please do come and experience Goa in its fullness. There are so many stalls around here showing to you every cultural, economic and traditional aspect of Goa, right from the food, the plants, the old games that we played in Goa, everything. We also have so many ongoing on-stage and off-stage activities here.
We here have stall of Goan science projects, wherein we have invited schools in and around Panjim and Mapsa, wherein the students have brought projects related to our theme, that is Goinchi Mati, and we have got a really good response.
पणजेच्यान आमचो व्हिडिओ पत्रकार अनिकेत नार्वेकर.
राष्ट्रीय खेळा सर्तीच्या आयोजनाक कळाव जाल्लो असलो तरी ही सर्त उगडासात उरतली अशे तरेन सर्तीचें आयोजन करतले. ते खातीर दर्जेदार साधन सुविधा उबारपाचें काम चालू आसा अशें मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंतान सांगलें. राष्ट्रीय खेळा सर्तीचो मॅस्कॉट रुबीगुलाच्या लॉन्चिंग सुवाळ्यात मुख्यमंत्री उलयतालो.
गोंयान 20 ऑक्टोबर ते 4 नोव्हेंबर हे मजगती आयोजित केल्ल्या 36व्या राष्ट्रीय खेळा सर्तीच्या लॉन्चिंग सुवाळ्यात मुख्यमंत्री उलयतालो. ह्या वेळार केंद्रीय खेळा आनी युवा वेव्हार मंत्री किरेन रिजिजू, केंद्रीय मंत्री श्रीपाद नायक, गोंयचो खेळा मंत्री बाबू आजगांवकार, इंडियन ऑलिंपिक संघटनेचो अध्यक्ष नरेंद्र बत्रा, सचिव राजीव मेहता आनी हेर मान्यस्थ हाजर आसलेले.
नॅशनल ऑलिंपिक गेमी खातीर जे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जाय ते पेडण्या पासून मडगांव नावेली पर्यंत अशा वेगवेगळ्या 10 जाग्याचेर आमी नवें इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जे आसा हे तयार केलां. भितरल्या 5 जाग्यावेल्या इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चराचे आमी दिसता किरण रिजिजूच्या हस्ते इनॉग्रेट केलें. उरलेल्या एक 5-6 जाग्यावेलें इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर 90% कंप्लीट जाला. जे आमकां परचेस करपाक जाय तेजे ऑलरेडी टेंडर सगळे फ्लोट जाल्या. उरलेल्या 4 ते 5 म्हयन्यां मदीं 100% इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर इन प्लेस आसतलें. फॉर द ऑर्गनायजेशनल प्रिपरेशन्स आमचे डिफरंट एसोसिएशन फ्रॉम द गोवा दे हॅव गियर्ड अप टू ऑर्गनायज दीस गेम. म्हाका खात्री आसा ऑल द ऑर्गनायजेशन्स फ्रॉम द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा they will coordinate with us, cooperate with us to do this event best.
It has been an issue for all of us that India has not been able to have a regulated national games, which is actually very important for any nation, because the national games are conducted under the aegis of the Indian Olympic Association, which follows the charter of the Indian International Olympic Committee. So it is a system which we must create in a way which must help in every periodic timing as fixed.
Sir, you've been felicitated today. How do you feel that you've been after like so much your performance, whatever you've shown for the state and for the country?
I was very happy that on the launch of the national games, we were remembered today for our past deeds for the game of football and sports in particular. I'm very happy that we are remembered, and we continue serving the people for sports, and happy that big infrastructure is coming up in Goa in the name of the national games. Will help truly who are talented, who are committed to sports, with support of the parents. Will definitely utilize these facilities besides the national games in the near future to see that Goans will freshly start representing India in Olympics.
Could you tell us a little bit of why you're here, what you all did, and give us some details, please?
Government of Goa is invited for this National Games mascot unveiling ceremony. I'm really happy here because after many struggles and hurdles, this major championships, the biggest game of India is going to happen in Goa. Actually, the last edition was in Kerala. It was a grand success. So we are expecting the almost same kind of success in Goa. I wish the entire Goan team and government of Goa good luck. Hope it will be a grand success.
पणजेच्यान आमचो मुखेल खबराकार ग्लॅन कोस्ता आणि व्हिडिओ पत्रकार श्यामचारी.
आणि आयच्यो कोंकणी खबरो हांगा सोंपतात. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां www.goa365.tv ह्या आमच्या वेबसायटीचेर पळोवपाक मेळटल्यो. त्या भायर आमचो ट्विटर आनी फेसबूक अकाउंट फॉलो करात. तर मेळुया परत पळोवपाक गोवा 365 मोग आसचो.